Got a booty like hoops, I'm tryna make it. Wow, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, yeah. Got a booty like hoops, I'm tryna make it. Wow, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass.
His art is nice. No sweet, let David figure out. And it's Guinea. Sure, I look good. And yeah, this is your host face, and so I'm gonna keep you guys in touch for what goes down in Flutter Byte Conference 2022. I'm so happy and excited. So see you girls.
Greet me good morning. I did I respond? I can't greet my good morning.
Life hard. Stop disturbing my video.
Good morning. For this morning conference.
Hello. I'll capture you before Snap so that I'll send it to you.
I'm camera shy.
No, you cannot be shy.
Hello guys.
Yeah, I finally seen you.
My mom. Will you buy?
Okay.
Because this place is actually. We all know what customer widgets are. You group existing or.
Say hi. This is my boss. When you see the content has strategy, mama. This is the boss. Hi. Send phone.
Send phone too.
Send phone. Becca, say hi.
Hello.
The row. So hi pretty girl. What's your name?
Jachi.
Huh? Come again.
Jachi.
Jachi.
Yeah.
So are you a flutter dev?
Am I what?
Flutter dev.
No, I'm not.
Okay, what are you? What do you do?
I'm a chef, a student.
Okay, come on, cook meals. so why do you come to this event?
I was invited by a very close friend of mine.
That's good, because good friends help you grow.
Right.
Yes.
And then I invited another friend of mine. So
My dear, it's all good. You
networking.
gotta get a movie.
Exactly.
So what do you expect from this event?
What do I what?
Expect from this event?
Additional knowledge, basically. Open my eyes to the tech world.
Come on, I
Yeah.
love your attitude.
Period.
That's the attitude of a winning girl.
Yeah.
She's still winning. So, have you met new friends from this event?
Yes, I have.
You
And
don't
I've
sound
also
so
reconnected with old friends as well.
Oh, that's so cute. So yeah, enjoying. You seem to be enjoying the event.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Yeah, I love it. So
Thank
yeah,
you.
keep it going. I love
Thank
the
you.
energy. Thank you.
Is that you need to understand how.
Have your aqua line, girl. Go girl.
Can you, when you finish, you go downstairs.
Everybody say hi. Hi. What's the name?
My name is
Okay, what's the name? Okay, what's the
I'm
name?
Joshua.
Okay, what's the name? What's the name?
So Cardios.
What's the name? Oh, nice to
Shout out.
meet you. I shout out to
This
all
is
of
the
you.
among us. I got shout out.
Let me take now.
Yay, say hi. Oh, Benny and this Benny and this Benny. This is a very, very tall boy. I cannot do that now.
Another thing for somebody to be.
Doing of this my mommy. Oh God, December they come. Hey, my mama. Let's go. I think it's upstairs. Hi, Mama. Say hi. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, UK. My sister, move there. Who told you that I don't have David? Exactly why are you blocking me? I don't understand. Please move. Let me see beautiful views. Shift, my dear. So wait, 2 or 3, is it like? Oh, the weather is so nice.
Oh my god. Are you doing
Hey,
Hey,
hey, she won't now be in my video. Let me just be humble.
you.
So hi guys. So I just came back from flutter byte conference, and this is like the midnight, and I want to go and sleep, but these gifts are so cute. I mean, damn, look at this. Sure. So I have a customized mug. So I love coffee, and I can now have my coffee with this that say something with a dart picture looking like a Viking-ish, if I'm being right. So I just love it so much, and I want to say a very big shout out to Miriam, Dev Jamil, Blaze Brain, and UK Dev. Like that, they're just like a lot of people. Dami, David, OH, Caesar, Benita, Becker, like there are a lot of people, the LFC team in general, so for all this. I mean, these gifts are amazing. Even me, I'm mind blown. Like, I didn't expect it. Yeah. So, that is a nose mask. I'm really not opening it till I see what I want to use it for. So the next is this socks, and do I need to explain how intentional this socks is? I mean, they're not answering all the things I want to say. And this is like stickers, and this is like Firebase, this is like Z-App, this is like Dart, Vikings, this is, oh my god, this is, this one has a good quote. Good code makes my heart flutter. And yeah, this is flutter by conference. I feel like, yeah, you get. So this is like Firebase, and I love it so much. Thank you to the flutter team. So yeah, this is my package, guys, and it's not easy. It's not every day you have a bag from wondrous flutter app that is so amazing. By the way, nice UI. I saw that app on YouTube and I was blown. Now having the bag, wow. And let's not talk about the shirt, like, bro, I'm blown, sis. Sorry. Like my bottle. Can I just say how intentional this was? I had this in mind, and now this. Come on. I give it up for flutter by conference. So, like, I have food, and I hope this doesn't spoil really. Yeah. And I have water, and I have drink. This is the first time I've done an unboxing, actually. What? I have drink, and I have another drink. Bro, my bag is full. Like, I have so much things today. I have a cute friend. You guys know I do not joke with my pens and my books. Like, I'm serious with that. If there's anything, I'm serious. I love cute books. I love to write. So I love it when I have cute books to write on. So, and more stickers and more flutter byte conference. If you need this, by the way, bottle. And native theme book. Bruv, what is this? This girl is grateful. Like Miriam said, guys, mark my words. That girl on her birthday is gonna be loud. Maybe I will start celebrating her December, so she will understand. Anyways, this is me signing out and just saying very big thank you to the whole of the LFC team. So if you know that team, you understand the organizers of Flutter Byte Conference 2022.